Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, your go-to spot for all things social media and digital content creation. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our helpful tips and tricks. Today, we're diving into a highly requested tutorial how to delete a YouTube Shorts from your channel. Whether you've changed your mind about a short you posted or just wanted to clean up your content, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to navigate to YouTube. You can do this on a desktop or through the YouTube app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now click on View Channel. After doing so, you can see all the videos that you posted. Now to delete your video or shorts, all you have to do is go on Manage Videos and click on three dots of the video that you want to delete and click on Delete. And that's it. Your YouTube short has been successfully deleted from your channel. But remember, deleting content is a permanent action. So always make sure you're certain before you go through with it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time,